Hello, this is Seth for Northland Dodge in Prince George, and today we're looking at a 2018 Dodge Durango GT. Under the hood we have a 3.6 liter V6 engine and an 8-speed automatic transmission. This guy's in the billet metallic silver. It looks great. You do have that Dodge logo right up front with the grille that looks fantastic. You do have projector style halogen headlights right there and your projector style fog lights just hanging out down there. And coming around the side we do have 20-inch rims here with our Bridgestone tires. They look great, still lots of tread left on them, and those rims look awesome. Now you do have heated exterior mirrors as well with the turning signals on them, and coming all the way to the back we do got that GT logo and the Dodge, as well as you have your backup camera right there. And as long as you have the key on you, just gotta press the button and it will open up automatically for you. Very nice. You got lots of room back here. You got a little bit of extra storage right in here, as well as it's very soft. You can lift this guy up and you got some room right under there. You can also fold these guys forward by just pulling this and pushing it forward, and it leans down just like that. Then all you gotta do is grab this, pull it back up, and it is back and you're good. And there's a button right here to close up the door. Make sure you get out of the way so it doesn't bonk you on the head. Okay, we got our keys here. We got 2 press to unlock, 1 press to lock. Got your button there to open up the trunk. You got 2 presses to activate your remote start, which is especially nice in the winter. It'll get nice and warm for you. Those heated seats will start up and you won't have to go outside and be all cold. Now if it is locked, it does have proximity keyless entry. You just gotta have the key on you, put your hand in there and it will unlock. Then you got the button there if you did want to use that to lock it. Now on the door here you do have electric mirrors, windows, and locks all right there. Plus you got a bit of chrome accenting here and leather with the red stitching. It looks very nice. You got your memory seats here, and then you also have a bit of storage here with a water bottle holder. Down here we do have the controls over our seats, so we have our lumbar support here, back and forward, as well as we have the tilt right there. And it is a leather interior. Very nice, very comfortable. You got that same red stitching on the seats, and feels very nice. Right over here we do have the controls of our lights. So we have our auto, our off, our daytime running lights, and our low beams, as well as our fog lights right there, and our in-cabin light control there. And then right here we have the controls over our windshield wipers, high beams, and our turning signals. Okay, the keys are just hanging out in the cup holder, so all you gotta do is put your foot on the brake, press the button, and it will start right up for you. Now in the center we do have our speedometer and our odometer, as well as we have our fuel gauge and our engine temperature. Now in the center we have all sorts of different guys. We have a very large display. It looks great. You can change that up though. You got your oil life, you have your average liters, you have your trip, you have your start options, you have what we're listening to right now, you have your stored messages, you can do your screen setup, and then you're right back to your speedometer here. You can change that around, make it look different, however you want it. And that is controlled from the steering wheel right here with your call out, voice recognition, and your hang up button for your Bluetooth. You do have some paddle shifters here if you want to go into manual mode, lots of fun. Horn in the center and your cruise control options on the other side. Now you do have your display right here. It looks fantastic. You got your AM, your FM, and your Sirius XM all here. Plus you do have your media if you have one hooked up through Bluetooth or aux cord or any of those guys here. You can see all the different sources, USB, Bluetooth, aux cord, all those. You got your climate control here if you want to change it up, high, low. It is a dual climate, so you and your passenger can have different levels. You all have all your apps here. It does also have Apple CarPlay. You do have your controls over heated seats, heated steering wheel, and all those guys, backrest, head fold, all those. Then you have your phone options here if you have one hooked up through your Bluetooth. Plus you do have your settings here to change everything up. Down in the climate control, we have all sorts of different guys. We have the volume up and down with the mute and the off, as well as your hazard lights, your screen off. You also have the browser there. You have your AC, you have your heat up and down with the dual climate, power up and down, off auto, your defrosts there, your park assist, your stop start, you have your eco and sport mode, then you also have your traction control right there. And then right down there we do have our USB plugins and our aux cord plug-in. And then we do have our gear shift right here, and when you are in reverse it does give you your backup camera. Always nice to have, just shifts like that, feels very nice. Some cup holders here, bit of additional storage right there. You got your armrest, you can lift that guy up. You got some storage right there, plus some more right down there. And then we do have a locking glove box over here. You do have your owner's manual and all that inside of there, lots of room. And then right up top we do have the controls over our sunroof, as well as our universal garage door opener, our lights, and our tailgate. Then you can also look at your sunroof, very large, lots of light. Okay, let's take a look back here. Open this guy up. On the door here you have that same red accenting, the stitching. You have the control over your windows there. You have that chrome handle here, some storage down here, tons and tons of room back here. It does seat 7 people all together. Plus down here you do have the controls, so you have your heated seats for back here as well as your USB plug-ins. Very comfortable, and you can pull that down. Right there, some cup holders and armrest. It is leather, same as the front. You can fold it down just like that. Get into the back here, you do got some cup holders back here, and very nice. And there's our 3.6 liter V6 engine. Well, that does it for my walk around video of the 2018 Dodge Durango GT. If you want to come and take a closer look for yourself or take it for a test drive, come on down to Northland Dodge in Prince George and talk to our sales specialists. Thanks for watching.